Welcome back, builders, to Fluffy's Brick Studio, and today we are going to be unboxing this amazing set right here, the Super Mario Kart Standard Kart. What an amazing masterpiece. And guess what? There is a partner set with it, and it's a little blue shell, which I actually have that box in right over here, and we're going to build that sometime mid-time. I'm building this. This set will be built live, but today we're going to unbox this and see what's inside. All right, so this is an 18 plus set 720371972, so 1972 pieces. It's a buildable Mario figure with a Mario Kart. The only thing I personally see that could have been added to this, which would have, obviously upped the value, but could have upped the piece count too, was they could have made an attachment right back here with the umbrella. The umbrella could have been made out of the same material that they do for their dragons. But hey, I still think that the wing attachment, like in the actual game. So the fingers are posable. You can do thumbs up. The cart is going to be 8.5 inches tall, 12.5 inches long, so it is going to be over a foot long. It's fully detailed, fully posable, sits on its own stand. Him out of the cart looks very weird, I heard, but you can separate the two. So let's open this box. Got my handy dandy trustworthy knife. There's one. There's two. And let's see what's inside. Uh-oh. Hope nothing fell out. That was important. Alright. I think there is a total of 17 bags in this. So there are 17, actually 18 bags if you count the tire bag. So there is no double number bag, but there is a total of 18 bags altogether. And once again, the instructions are going to be put in this nice envelope. It's nice to see that at least the instruction book has gone paper. But I am looking forward to the time I get a whole set that's in paper bag. Here's the booklet. As you open the booklet up, you're going to have your code to scan. It's going to show you all the generations from 1992 all the way to 2017 on their games, showing you different ways to pose and display the Mario Kart. Then on page number 11, you're going to actually have the step for all the way to 1. Which this booklet comes into 311 pages of instructions, but it is 699 steps in this booklet for the Super Mario Lego 72037. Such an absolutely amazing set. I look forward to build this. We will be building this live in the next upcoming streams. Let me know your thoughts on the set. Did you get the set? Are you planning to get this set? Are you excited for the lives? As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep building your life just one simple brick at a time. Bye for now.